Sintered.
Yeah. Ang cash mahal kasi ang pagkat dyan is actually they're using fire. So which is very expensive also. Tapos aircon is kasama na which is likely most likely. Pin lights, flooring, it's kasama. Pero ang deliver namin here is actually whitewash lang. The walls. Kasama na siya. Yes. Yes. Nakalimutan ko na yun. Pero si Pat, I don't know this one. Nandun yung super sure, pero i-follow up namin. Tapos dito yung, actually, yung elevator is here. Nandito eh. Yeah. Dito yung elevator. Dito yung elevator. Yeah.
Elevator.
Tapos ano pa ba? It's double glazed. So, no heat. Actually, there's heat like 10%. Pero, malalaman nyo kasi ng double glaze pag hinawakan. Pag mainit, double glaze siya. Pag hindi siya mainit, tumatago siya. Meaning yan, hindi siya double glaze.
So it's not totally heat-proof, pero ang laki nang nababawas niyo sa init. Sa sounds din, also sound na din siya. Details, yeah. Yes,
Yes, parang sir.
mas maganda yung i-share ko yung presentation and also the technical details. Finishes. There are some of the finishes not yet included in process.
Marami pa kasi yun eh. Naghahanap sila ng
solar.
mixture.
So all
Units.
will be solar.
Yes.
Each unit po may solar panel, may private lift. Sa private lift kasha yung dito po sa unit na to, isang wheelchair, tapos isa rin na ano yan?
Wala pa.
Wala.
They're looking at a Swedish company. Pero naghahanap pa sila kasi ng si Boss Later kasi gusto niya medyo quality talaga. So, marami pang brands na hindi pa namin na-finalize. Yung Solar 2030 pa kami bibili.
Kasi by the time iba
But, oo.
So yung speed level, papantayin niya?
No, mataas pala na yun.
Nakaangat.
Yes, we're like 2 meters higher. Mas pa ganun siya eh.
Mas
slope siya. So,
From the road. Yes.
yeah, so mataas talaga tayo. And just to give you an idea, yung ceiling height ng parking is actually 4.2. Pero syempre magda-drop down. Hindi ko mga 3 point something. Pero mataas pa rin. Yeah.
Hindi, sorry, hindi basement lang.
Lower ground.
Lower ground.
Lower ground.
Yeah. So lower ground. Sorry, hindi background. Hindi naman.
Sa
Pero
tail.
meron from the street, supposedly pantay, pero hindi, may ramp up po.
This is the elevator.
MM.
Wala pang...
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the normal. Ang ganun siya. So hindi siya totally,
Yung dalawang bedroom and then master's bedroom.
yung height po ba nito yung facade na to sa...
Kulang pa ng
Alright.
1%.
So halang taas.
Actually, isa pang floor.
Pero ito yung second floor.
Yes.
Second floor to. Talaga pwede mag-away, no? Ang galing.
Sa
Alright.
June, actually, the
This one.
reason grand opening kasi hindi pa gawa lahat. Pero totoo niyan. Kaya talaga na...
This is it. Ganito. Okay. So, you like what you said, ganito rin kalaki yung gap sa ano.
Even
Mas malaki pa?
mas farther pa siya.
So, sabi mo 12, no? 12. Okay.
Meron
Mas
lang po
malaki
kasing
pa.
wall doon na may setback, kaya hindi mai-push back.
Papalitan niya ng supplier. Napaaga kasi may construction, di ba? So, talagang natutuloy din. Careful.
This is it. This is how it look like. So, all right, that's the quick tour. If you want to see the property and if you want to visit the actual place, please reach out to me, Pao Salud, 0917-681-8692. So, I think it's a good investment, and just give me a call. Talaga? Wow, you're giving me hopes. Really?
One, three, two,
Sobrang salamat.
Hey, I'll reach out to you.
Yes, boss. No problem.